Hello, hello, hello. How about I never tasted the banana pudding? So I was out with my son took me to the dentist, right? So, oh my God, this joint is so good. This is my first time tasting it. Totally worth the effort. But next time, I'm gonna make sure I do it soon as I get the bananas, not wait 3 days. But it's good. Oh my God. Mm, mm, mm. Okay. Mm. I gave my son half. I split the other half with my neighbor. Yep, I got clothes on. I just got in the door. They did not take out my tooth. They're gonna do it Tuesday. So I finally got a dentist. Oh my God. So happy. And they charging my dentist. I mean they charging my insurance $2,000. That's what they get for making me wait a month and 5 days. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm. I can't even talk. I can't even talk. It's so good. Mm. I am the best. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm. I need some water now. Ooh, this thing is sweet. Sweet. I like sweet stuff, but good lord. So I ain't gonna eat no more after this. Oh, I feel her eat the whole thing. Mm-mm-mm. That joint is so good. I am in heaven right now. Cause like I said, everybody cannot make banana pudding. The only thing I don't like down here, they give you this little container. I want to charge you like $5. I could easily get $6 per bowl or whatever. But I'm gonna give them a big bowl. Like if I had my own restaurant, I would give them like I don't know, something bigger than that. I don't have anything in front of me, but man, that joint was good. Good, good, good. I can't wait. I'm mad now because I got to share with my neighbor because I already told him he could have half, and my son got his half. They just left, and then I'm sniffling. But I got my workout clothes too, so I'm still trying to lose weight. So that's cold on my tooth. I'm just happy that they're gonna take it out. That I actually found a dentist that take my insurance. So I am elated. So I'm gonna put this banana pudding back into the refrigerator and get out of these exercise clothes so I can wash my dishes. So, and signing off, Ebony Bikini Chef. I was so excited I forgot to announce myself. So I appreciate y'all. Love y'all. See you later.